Hello students of class 7. Welcome to the GK class. So students, today we are going to do chapter 11, that is quiz 1. Okay, so follow the book all of you. Page 16, chapter 11, quiz 1. Question number 1. Tick the correct option or options. Number 1. This one, see the picture. This famous cathedral in Paris is the option A, Notre Dame. Number 2. Where would you find the research stations Moitri and Bharti? The correct answer is option B, in Antarctica. Number 3. This South American animal is the largest living rodent. It is a capybara. This one. Number 4. Which of the following diseases has been eradicated from India? Option A, polio. Number 5. The world's highest lake on which large vessels can ply is Lake Titicaca. Option C, Lake Titicaca. 6. The game that is played with tiles that have Chinese symbols on them is option C, Mahjong. Number 7. Who among these people has won both a Grammy and a Nobel? The correct option is B, Barack Obama. 8. Diet is a name for the parliament of option C, Japan. Number 9. The headquarters of the London Metropolitan Police is known as Scotland Yard. Option B, Scotland Yard. 10. The Snellen chart is used for option A, eye tests. The Snellen chart is used for eye tests. Option A. 11. Borobudur is a huge Buddhist temple in option C, Indonesia. Borobudur. Option C, Indonesia. 12. Pick Christ the Redeemer, a landmark of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Option A is correct. Tick option A. Okay. Now see 17 page number, question number 2. Tick if true. You have to tick here if these statements are true. A. Female reindeer have antlers. Antlers. This is correct. So tick here. Okay. Antlers are the branched horns, just like deer. B. Many Native Americans make totem poles. Totem poles, it is a natural object or animal that is believed to have spiritual significance by a particular society. And this is hanged on a pole. That is why it is known as totem poles. This is also correct. So tick this one also. C. The sport of angling involves catching fish. This is also correct. D. The towers of silence are associated with Jainism. This is not correct. This is false. E. The deficiency of vitamin D causes night blindness. This is false because the deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Okay. F. Gatka is an Indian martial art practiced by the Sikhs. Correct. Mark this one. G. India has the longest written constitution in the world. Correct. Take this one also. H. Panama hats originated in the country called Panama. This is false. Panama is a wide hat of straw-like material. It is made from the leaves of a particular tropical palm tree, especially worn by men. I. Fahrenheit and Kelvin are scales for measuring temperature. Correct. Take this one. Equator is so called because the equator passes through it. This is also correct. So the correct options are A, B, C, F, G, I, J. A, B, C, F, G, I, J. Okay. Now see question number 3. The venue quiz. Fill in with the correct options given. A. The largest cricket stadium in India by seating capacity named after Ranjit Singh ji is at the Eden Gardens. So write down Eden Gardens. B. The home of the England football team. It is famous for its arch and partially retractable roof. The answer is Wembley. Wembley Stadium. Wembley. C. Venue of the All England Championships. The only Grand Slam played on natural grass. Option is Wimbledon. D. Also known as the Bull Ring, has hosted the 2003 Cricket World Cup final and the first T20 World Cup final in 2007. Answer is Wanderers. E. The Arthur Ashe Stadium, which hosts the US Open tennis tournament, is located at Flushing Meadows. Flushing Meadows. F. The National Aquatic Center in Beijing, where Michael Phelps won 8 Olympic golds. Answer is Water Cube. G. The first stadium to hold 2 FIFA World Cup finals in 1970 and 1986. Answer is Azteca. Azteca. Okay. So first one is Eden Gardens, Wembley, Wimbledon, Wanderers, Flushing Meadows, Water Cube, Azteca. Okay. So we have done this chapter, quiz 1, chapter 11. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a nice day all of you and take care.